For this meal, we're gonna pressure cook beef stew in here, and it should be done in about 30 minutes. Something simple. Beef, potatoes, and I'm gonna cut some cabbage. Beef all chopped up. I'm gonna add some brown sugar, some sake to marinate the meat, and pepper. Let's go. Alright, also added a little bit of soy sauce. It's all mashed up in here. Now I'm gonna cut some cabbage, and then finally add a little bit of potatoes. Cabbage all chopped up. I might add a little bit more. Put in here. Probably only add about maybe 1/3 of potatoes. Time to add up the water. Potatoes added in, add a little bit more water. And we are ready. Alright, put the cover on, and we are ready to rock and roll.